2025 wasn't just another year for Navi Mumbai. It was the year the city leveled up. New launches, new roads, a new airport, and a completely new identity. In this episode, I am taking you through every major development of 2025 month by month. If you are a home buyer, investor, or just someone tracking Navi Mumbai's rise, this is everything you need to know. Now let's begin. January set the tone. The 23rd Navi Mumbai Property Expo at Sea Roots brought the entire real estate ecosystem under one roof, from big developers to first-time buyers, and the message was clear. Navi Mumbai is entering its growth era. CIDCO boosted Metro Line 1 with the sharper timetable, 10 minutes frequency during peak hours. Belapur to Taloja travel instantly felt smoother, and the biggest backbone projects moved forward. Tenders were floated for major two coastal roads, the Kharghar-Belapur corridor and the Ulve Airport link road. Together, these corridors will eventually stitch Navi Mumbai directly to NMIA and Atal Setu. In February, NMMC announced a massive 5,684 crore budget focused purely on improving how people live. Better roads, stronger water supply, smarter mobility, and no new taxes, keeping it people-friendly in an election year. March gave us a reality check. The airport wasn't a dream anymore. Gautam Adani reviewed NMIA on site, and the project was visibly entering its final stage. Runways, interiors, system, everything was being polished for the launch. April, May, and June didn't make headlines, but they were the months where the groundwork quietly solidified. Final touches on metro systems, airport interior finishing, coastal road planning, everything was moving, but behind the scenes. And then came July, the turning point. Over 46 new projects launched across Navi Mumbai in just 6 months. Panvel, Taloja, Kharghar, Kalamboli, all hotspots saw aggressive development because everyone knew what was coming in the second half of the year. Around the same time, CIDCO announced something big, a sustainable mobility plan till 2054, laying out how road, metro, rail, and water networks will shape the next 30 years of growth. August introduced something Navi Mumbai really needed: property identity cards. Every property gets a QR code ID with ownership details, tax status, built-up area, everything. Buying property just became more transparent and more secure. September was all about gearing up for the airport. Over 50 new electric shuttle buses were deployed to connect the city to NMIA. Roads were widened, water infrastructure was upgraded, signage was installed. Navi Mumbai officially started functioning as the airport service city. October 8, 2025, a landmark day. The Navi Mumbai International Airport was inaugurated. A world-class terminal, dual runways, 20 million annual passenger capacity. Navi Mumbai didn't just get an airport, it entered the global map. November added more momentum. Metro Line 1 crossed a massive milestone, 1.15 crore riders. CIDCO approved two big coastal roads, Kharghar-Belapur and 60% completed Ulve elevated corridor. And NMIA announced its first official flight date, December 25th. And on December 25th, it finally happened. The first commercial flight took off from NMIA. A project that took a decade finally opened its door. 2025 wasn't about one big event. It was about hundreds of strategic steps that redefined the future of Navi Mumbai. So when we look back, 2025 was the year Navi Mumbai transformed from a developing city into a connected, future-ready urban powerhouse. And this is just the beginning.